Hello everyone, I'm Marco from AxelTech. Today I'm going to talk to you about our SocialHub software, which is used together with our DLG Plus character generator. And our SocialHub allows you to gather messages, images, and videos from social media sources and organize them and then send them to our character generator to put them on air. In the configuration, you will find the social sources which are available. And this includes Facebook, Flickr, SMS from Huawei hardware device, Line, Open Weather Map. So as you see, we can retrieve also weather information, not only, let's say, social sources information, RSS feeds, Skype, SMS coming from other type of hardware dongles, Twitter, and WhatsApp. As you see, many of these have been deprecated. I need to explain this. We use APIs to access information directly from Facebook and WhatsApp, for example. But since the latest security issues, let's say they are less willing to share that information, so it is impossible for us to retrieve that information. For this reason, we have developed a plugin for Chrome, where you can install the plugin in your Chrome browser, and directly from the browser you can extract the information that you need to go on air. So this is a valid workaround for all those social medias which don't allow data to be extracted from their databases. So after I've created two templates, one for WhatsApp and one for Facebook. I'll show you. I've also selected a target. Among available targets, we have, of course, our DLG Plus, the CG Live, DJ Pro is our radio automation system, or if you want to interface with third-party system, you can just choose a file dumper, so all the information will be actually dumped into files in a specific folder, and then you can pick them up in some way with the third-party software. So here I have my browser, my Chrome browser. I've logged into my Facebook account. What I can do is I can select some text in order to put on air. I right-click, and this is the AxelTech plugin. So I'm going to select Show in SocialHub, and the system will actually display the window of the SocialHub where I can eventually edit the text if I would like to. I can put a sender here, let's say sender name, just for an example. But the interesting thing, I can drag and drop an image directly into the avatar section and assign the image just with a drag and drop. So if I press the send button, that data will be sent into the SocialHub, and I can find it here also. I see my entry line, and the data has already been sent to the DLG Plus. Now, in the DLG Plus GUI, you have a button called Remote Connections. Here you will find the messages from the various socials which are still in the queue. So as you see, I have one Facebook message in the queue ready to go on air. Why did it not air? Simply because I don't have any page containing a social source on air. I have prepared page 11. Let's have a look at it. And in page 11, I have defined an object with a crawl where it takes data from any social. So this means that when I will put on air page 11, simply the text will go on air. And here you have your social media. While this is on air, and you can actually tell the system whether to put only once on air or to loop the entire sequence of messages you have sent. You are able to select other messages, for example, this one over here, and right-click, Show in SocialHub. What I can do is also copy my friend's name, put it here, put my friend's photo here, and send, and this will be automatically added to the queue and will go on air directly in the crawl. You see it right now in the loop. Let's do another thing which is kind of interesting. Now I will log into WhatsApp, which is becoming very popular. And with WhatsApp, actually, the system will do something more for you. So I'm going into WhatsApp Web. What I'm going to do is from my personal account, I'm going to log in into WhatsApp Web, and there it is, I'm logged in. So I will just go to a message of some of my friends, and what I can do is I can forward the message, and I will select this one over here, and as you see, the icon for the Social Hub appears directly into the web page. Once I select it, I can say show in Social Hub, and in this case the plugin automatically picks up the name and the photo of your friend, and simply you can go send, and it will be added to the queue of the DLG Plus and go on air automatically. So this is a very nice way of adding more engagement with your public, with your viewers, while you're doing live shows. During the live shows, you can, advertise your WhatsApp number or your Facebook account, tell your users, tell the viewers to write to you and to publish directly onto your account, and then you simply pick it up with the Social Hub and put it on air. The nice thing is the integration with the DLG Plus. Simply when you go to commercial and you probably take the page off, simply all the new messages will then accumulate in the queue, so when the video director actually wants to put the messages on air, he just needs to put the page with the social data source on air, and you'll get the messages on air. If you need more information, please write to us at info@axeltechnology.com. I'm Marco. Thank you very much.